Yo, what's good, everybody? So right now we're looking at gold. This is a 4-hour time frame. I got a fib on here right now, point A to point B on the fib. It's pretty much a 23.6 retracement. So as you can see, price has kind of been in a consolidation range all throughout here the past couple of days, and it's just been ranging. The few key points that I can point out just from the 4-hour is that we have lots of exhaustion at the top, right, which shows a lot of rejection, strong rejections up in this area. And then also we see a higher low point at the bottom side, which shows that there was some type of bullish presence that entered the market in this area. But right now, what I've been waiting for is pretty much like you see here with this purple drawing, is a break and a retest, or a break and a higher low point, something present for me to be able to confirm that this area is broken. And then we have some type of support build up, some type of higher low, so we can then buy low to potentially push up to the upside, which is the next target would be throughout this area right up in here. If this happens, to the resistance at the top to the left, which would be 3056, basically even. And then from there, if everything flows and continues, then our flip target obviously is all the way up here, which is far, but at the end of the day, it could be a nice move within this area if this plays out, right? So what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead down to the 1-hour so we can see this clear and just see what's going on right now, current time. So on the 1-hour time frame, what I liked about this is you can see that the market definitely looks like we broke structure on the 1-hour time frame, because this is our resistance area, right? And throughout here we have 1, 2, 3 bullish candles. It looks like it broken above here and closed above this area. So in the 1-hour it looks broken. Obviously on the 4-hour time frame, when we zoom out, it looks like it's a bit resistance, rejecting up in the area and holding. So at this time frame on a 1-hour, what I would like to see is some type of strong bullish presence that does have to enter the market at some point to confirm that we have solidified ourselves in this area for a level of support, some type of higher low point, whatever the case is, and then we would buy it on up. All right, so obviously right now the market is fluctuating and we're pretty much hovering in this area. So it can do what it wants to do at the end of the day. It can just blast through here and then validate everything, or it can get around here, form some support, higher low point, and go off on the lower time frame and push on up. So that part we just gotta wait and be patient on. But I wanted to kind of make this breakdown now, just so y'all can see what I'm looking at, and the whole process and just how things are flowing. On this type of time frame though, on the 1H and 4H would definitely be the main time frame that I'm focused on with this type of setup. But on the 1H it does look like a clean break, so I must say that. All right, so that's why I had this yellow circle here. And then swiveling back from the 4H, you can see on a 4-hour time frame, it just looks like price currently is just rejecting, and we just testing this little area. So this is where you really have to be very strategic when it comes to entering and determining your analysis based on off of the 4 and 1H, and also within this area, because it's a very pivotal area. All right, this is our area of interest. So other than that, if it does give us an opportunity and we get some type of solidified action that happens within this area, then we'll be looking to buy it on up, which can look like this. Maybe let's just say somewhere here, right? This is all hypothetical, but let's just say we get something like this. Cool, boom. All right, let's say 90 pips, whatever. And TP would be, obviously, boom, you get 100 pips somewhere up in here, or you get 60 pips, 70 pips, which it could be TP1, boom. Then you have another TP at this level right up in here, which will be at 3046. 3046, maybe 50 or however, for 120 pips, right? Boom. And then the next TP would probably be at this level of resistance, which was at 3055 even, and boom, that'll be 200 pips pretty much, and a 1 to 2 risk reward, which is a nice gain. This is the buy setup that I'm waiting on, and I want to kind of look at this now and just kind of wait and be patient and let this play out. And probably gonna send a live call to the signal room just so we can kind of be seeing what's going on, also being up to date, and waiting it out, being patient. Peace and love to everybody. Please like, comment, subscribe, show me some love. I appreciate y'all. All right, y'all, so as you can see, we're in a gold buy. I want to go ahead and show you all now so you can see on Discord. Send that over to the signal room. Boom, buy gold. So currently right now our stop loss is at 3028 even, and that's for 50 pips. And we have a TP1 right here for 50 pips, so we pretty much will be securing what we risked right up in here. So our final target will be based off of the 0% on the fib, which is the high So that's back up to resistance, and that would be a total of about 225 pips. That would be the final target. But we do have TPs all throughout here at these different levels. But this looks like a pretty nice setup that could be loading on gold. So on the 1 hour time frame as well, you can see that we have a nice bullish candle confirmation right here, which is a bullish variation, which is very, very strong. So that's a great sign to see at our area of interest after our entry. So I'm very happy about that. 30-minute time frame, same thing, looks beautiful, nice strong bullish candle that's pushing up off of this level, which was our area of interest. And the way I found my entry was literally going to the 15-minute time frame, and I used also the 5-minute. So you can see here the market kind of stabilized itself. We were pretty much testing this level right up in this area, which was most recently resistance, now using it as support. All right, so I went to 15-minute 5, and you can kind of see like a slight area of structure right up in here where we look left to right. And I took down to the 5-minute time frame, and you can kind of see here that during this point when the market was retracing, we were obviously showing some bearish type of flow. Boom, some mini structure on the 5-minute, but boom, break, retest, higher low point, forming at this level right up in here where the market formed a lower high, and now pushing up off of it. Nice bullish engulfing on the 5-minute time frame. Boom, which will be here. Bam. So entry there. From there, we are literally flowing up into profit. So this is pretty much entry number 1. And of course, we scale back out 30-minute time frame. You can see this. It looks pretty strong. Nice bullish confirmations, nice bullish candles. So I like the way this looks, man. It looks pretty cool. And so far, we are pushing up in profit. Of course, this is the beginning of the trade, but I'm hoping that we can continue to push on up with this momentum. I've been waiting on this setup, so it could be pretty nice, man. So it looks like an A+ setup to me. I would be patient and let this play out. I'll be updating you all on the current and future movement on gold. I'm hoping that we can close out a nice gain and pretty much just close the week off on a good note and go from there, man. So
I know you real disciplined with this shit.
yeah, like, I mean, I was waiting on this, but just the overall look of it, like, I'm more confident in the gold. So that's
Nah,
why.
this gold one is a hit. I ain't even gonna lie. This one a hit. I don't even know if everybody up, but this one definitely a hit. I agree with you on this one. I'm not even gonna look out.
Yeah, once it break through that TP1, we should be alright. Yeah, bro. That should definitely be exhausting sometimes, but
Hey, I understand.
yeah, man, we just got to let this shit play out, bro. It look pretty strong though, so I ain't really worried.
What happened?
I say we just gonna have to let this play out, man. I ain't too worried. Just
All
take
right.
some time. Yeah, this is some nice
Yo, bro,
signs,
I'm not
bro.
gonna lie, bro. I'm currently in that DJ buy right now because I missed the gold bars.
Yeah,
Huh?
that GJ buy clean, boy.
What you say?
DJ about to buy too. He said he in GJ because he missed the goal.
Oh yeah, no, that's what's up, bro. Yeah, it's nice, bro. It's a nice one. I ain't
DJ looking
seen
like
it,
it's
but
about to break out too, bruh.
He- Yeah, bro. Bro, my entry on DJ is 194,500.
I don't know, bruh. Cause
194. What?
nigga, hey,
Wait. Hold on. What'd you say?
uh,
194. What?
I got
194,500.
500?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, man. I'm finna probably lay it down, bro, and chill. I'm gonna be up. I'm just finna chill and let this shit play out.
I'm definitely gonna be up. All
Tired of
right,
looking at this computer screen. But yeah, I'm gonna be up, so I'm gonna be
I'll
updating if
tell you.
anything, man. Hopefully we break through this area and we can go up. But this shit definitely taking some time, so you got to be patient.
Dope.
All right, I'm gonna update y'all boys though.